7. Simple movements keep Japanese seniors strong past the 100, and you won't find any of them in a gym. Japan just reached a stunning milestone with 99,763 centenarians in 2025, marking the 55th straight year this number has climbed. We're talking about nearly 100,000 people who've celebrated their 100th birthday. Here's what blows my mind though. More than half of Japanese adults don't exercise regularly at all, yet Japan still holds the world record for life expectancy at 84.3 years. The answer isn't hiding in fitness centres or marathon training programs. Instead, it's tucked into daily routines through movements so simple that anyone can do them, combined with their sense of purpose. What the Japanese call ikigai. I'm going to walk you through the exact functional fitness practices that Japanese researchers have tested and proven effective, starting with the morning ritual that millions embrace every single day, called Radio Taiso. First up is Radio Taiso, Japan's national morning practice. At 6:30 am sharp, NHK Radio broadcasts a gentle 6-minute routine, and nearly 27 million Japanese people join in at least twice weekly. Picture parks, office buildings, schools and neighbourhoods across the country where groups gather to move through 13 basic exercises together. These movements stay refreshingly simple. You'll raise your arms overhead, bend from side to side, twist your torso gently, march in place and reach toward your toes. One exercise just involves lifting your arms above your head and bringing them down in smooth circles. It might look basic, but longevity experts remind us that modern life can trap us for entire days without ever raising our arms above EAR level. Radio Taiso started back in 1928, got banned after World War II, then bounced back in 1951 with a more playful twist. Its power doesn't come from intensity, but from showing up consistently. When you wake up every joint for 6 minutes each morning, those tiny investments pay massive dividends over decades. If you're finding this useful, like and subscribe so you never miss videos like this one. Next comes Japanese interval walking, which keeps you moving long after Radio Taiso ends. This isn't your standard steady stroll. You alternate between 3 minutes of relaxed walking and 3 minutes of brisk walking, cycling through this pattern 5 times for 30 minutes total. Dr. Hiroshi Nose and Dr. Shizue Masuki from Shinshu University created this method specifically for older adults. Their groundbreaking 2007 study delivered remarkable results in just 5 months. Participants built better endurance, gained strength, and lowered their blood pressure. Dr. Nose found that physical fitness jumps about 20%, making people feel roughly 10 years younger, while symptoms of lifestyle diseases drop by the same percentage. What I find brilliant about this approach is how accessible it stays. Dr. Ervin Sulapas puts it perfectly when he says, you don't need super high intensity workouts that leave you sore and exhausted to improve your health. Japanese walking has taken off on TikTok and Instagram, with thousands of people over 50 sharing their transformations as they lose weight, boost energy, and rediscover movement. The third practice brings ancient wisdom into modern science. Rei-ho represents traditional mindful physical etiquette through slow, controlled sitting, standing, and walking movements. A 2025 study from Tohoku University produced stunning findings. After practicing Rei-ho for just 5 minutes daily over 3 months, participants increased knee extension strength by 25.9% compared to only 2.5% in the control group. Exercise physiologist Ayaka Ogasawara explains that knee extension strength, the force you use to straighten your knees, serves as a crucial measure of mobility and daily functioning. These exciting results suggest Rei-ho helps seniors maintain independence by strengthening exactly the muscles they need for walking, climbing stairs, and rising from chairs, essentially preventing the sarcopenia that naturally comes with aging. Rei-ho's beauty emerges through its deliberate, controlled motions. You're not rushing anywhere. Instead, you practice slow, mindful transitions from sitting to standing, careful walking patterns, and controlled squatting movements. This trains your body for the movements that matter most in daily life. Movement 4 focuses on floor sitting and rising. something Okinawan centenarians do dozens or hundreds of times each day. This simple practice exercises legs, back and core naturally throughout their daily routines. A groundbreaking 2012 study from Brazil by Dr. Claudio Gil Araújo, published in the European Journal of Preventive Cardiology, found that sitting down and rising from the floor without support strongly correlated with lower mortality risk. Something Japanese seniors naturally practice daily. Consider what this movement demands from your body. You need ankle mobility for deep squatting, hip flexibility for balance, core strength to control your descent, and leg power to rise back up. Each repetition tests and strengthens the physical capacity that predicts longevity. The researchers discovered that the strength and mobility required to get up off the ground reliably predicts how long you'll live. It's a complete full-body movement that challenges your entire kinetic chain while requiring zero equipment. This predicts longevity. Fifth comes gardening as daily exercise. Almost every Okinawan centenarian grows or once grew a garden, and this is not coincidence. It is a source of daily physical activity that moves the body through wide ranges of motion while reducing stress. Blue Zones researcher Dan Buettner explains that a garden nudges you to weed, water and harvest almost every day, keeping you moving consistently. Gardening involves squatting, kneeling, reaching, lifting, carrying and walking. You are constantly shifting between positions, engaging different muscle groups and moving in ways that gym machines simply cannot replicate. This variety maintains joint mobility while building functional strength. Then there's the mental health boost. Connecting with nature, nurturing growth and having purpose creates psychological benefits that amplify the physical ones. Older Okinawans stay active with gardening and walking, which keeps them healthy and mobile well into their 90s and beyond. Movement 6. Transforms. Walking into transportation. In Japan, walking is not separate exercise but gets woven into daily life through smart urban design and cultural norms. Many older adults rely on public transportation, which means walking to stations and climbing stairs. Even in rural areas, daily tasks require movement. Rather than treating exercise as a separate chore, Japanese culture treats movement as natural living. Over a century, those daily steps accumulate into remarkable health benefits. Physical activity among Japan's elderly rarely resembles intense gym culture. Instead, it stays subtle, consistent, and embedded in everyday routines. The key insight here is integration. When movement becomes part of how you accomplish daily tasks rather than an additional burden, you are far more likely to sustain it long term. Walking to the store, taking stairs instead of elevators, parking farther away, these small choices add up to significant health improvements. The seventh movement is deep squatting. The Asian squat involves a deep, flat-footed position with your back straight and hips below your knees. It's a fundamental posture that Japanese seniors maintain throughout their lives. When you squat deeply, you challenge ankles, knees, hips, and spine through their complete range of motion, strengthening connective tissues and preserving mobility. This movement develops both eccentric strength during the controlled lowering phase and concentric strength during the rising phase. It's a complete lower body exercise that also improves hip flexibility and ankle mobility, both crucial for preventing falls as we age. The beauty of these 7 movements lies in their simplicity and accessibility. You don't need a gym membership, expensive equipment, or hours of free time. What you need is consistency and commitment to moving your body in ways that honor its design. Combined with the traditional Japanese diet called washoku, these practices create a comprehensive approach to healthy aging. Japanese longevity researchers Hector Garcia and Francesc Miralles, authors of Ikigai, capture it perfectly when they say you don't need gym sessions every day or marathon training. As Japanese centenarians demonstrate, all you need is adding movement to your day. Japan's approaching 100,000 centenarians aren't superhuman, they're simply consistent. They've made movement a non-negotiable part of daily life through practices that feel less like exercise and more like living well. These 7 movements can become your foundation for strength that lasts not just years, but decades. The question isn't whether you have time for them, It's whether you can afford not to make time for the habits that could determine how independently and vibrantly you age. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like. Just subscribe to the channel and join our community. Thank you for watching.